Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 155th edition release. Today will be the first and only day of her sneaky peeks, and I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'm just going to jump right in and show you everything that I use to create my projects and her new release, as well as all of the ladies' links. They will be down below. Alright, so we are starting out with 2 belly band dies. They will be sold separately. I just got them packaged this way. We have the eyelet belly band as well as the ginger belly band. Very similar, very cute. Love how they look. There goes the ginger. They will have ginger fallouts on there. Really pretty. Next up we have the Christmas tag dies, and there'll be 3 in this set. Adorable. Love this little 25, and you can use those little tags to pop that 25 in there. Just so super cute. But I love how these turned out too. Adorable. Next up we have the ginger doily dies, and these are very similar to the eyelet doily dies, except for these also have layers to these, which will also coordinate with her eyelet doily dies. So these are really cute, and like I said before, they do have the ginger fallouts that you're more than welcome to use in a shaker, whichever way you want to use them. These are very cute. Like I said, ginger doily dies. And this one is the Fancy Fold 3.75 by 4.75 card-based die. This will also fit in that envelope as well. So it is so super cute. Love what I made with it. So very, very cute. Next up we have the Festive Gingers 1 Ephemera. And I'll show you that a little bit more close. We also have the Festive Gingers 2 Ephemera. And I'll show you that a little bit more close. Then last but not least, we have the Festive Holidays 2025. And that's some cute paper. I'm just going to show you that real quickly. So we have this pink pattern here with snowflakes, and this pattern that's on the back that looks like gingham almost. And then this one here has snowflakes, a little bit of watercolor in there, and then there goes the back side as well, and that has a little bit of watercolor as well. Love this blue, love that pattern on there. Almost looks like snowflakes there too. And then this one almost looks like ice with a little bit of snowflakes there. And then we have this one, the green with the watermark in the back. And then there goes the other side. And this one looks like candy cane paper. Really, really cute. And this one's the red and white, and this one has a little bit of splash of pink going through that. Really cute. And this is probably my favorite. I didn't get a chance to use this one yet, but I really like it. This one has snowflakes on there, and then on the back side it has a little bit of stars and a little pattern on there as well. Here goes the Festive Gingers 1 Ephemera, and I am missing 1 holly leaf because I used them all, but you'll see that in my projects. But these are really cute. Just going to bring that up a little bit more close so you can see everything. And I want to say you'll get 59 or 50 some in a pack. Don't quote me on that. You'll get several in the ephemera pack. And here goes the Festive Gingers 2. A little bit bigger, very similar. You don't have everything that's in this one, but everything is on a bigger scale. So love how that looks. Just so super cute. And I want to say you'll get 40 in this pack, but don't quote me on it. It was a while ago when I did the count, so I don't quite remember. But I'm just wanting to show you the scale of the car, because that car was in both of them. But there goes the difference. And I want to say this one's like 3.75, no, 3 1/4 by 3.75, I believe. Really cute though. And here goes the additional items that I used. The Cozy Holiday Wishes. Then bow dies. Medium stitch scallop bow die. Gingers medium ginger scallop bow tie, and I just used that to layer on top of that other scallop bow. Square tag dies, and the rectangle frame die layers. Okay, starting out, I want to share these tags with you, and so I am using that thin bow die to add on top of there. I did use my own punch to punch out a little eyelet there, and put that in there. There goes those little gingers and the candy cane. I did add some glitter glue on top of there. Added that myself, but really cute. And here goes the little girl. Now these are all from Festive Gingers 1 ephemera. So this is really cute. Added some gems on top of there. She's adorable. There goes that 25. I love that. And I put that on with a garment pin there. Just really cute. And then the last one, which is the stocking filled with presents and the little guy on there, just super cute. And then the joy that goes across there. And I did leave space for me to add to and from on the back side of those. Next up, I created an easel card using the both ephemera packs, and the big guy, the big little guy there, he's from the ephemera 2, and then the others are from the first Gingers 1. But really cute. I did add some more glitter on top of there, and it's on glitter paper, and I used the ginger doily dies, and then there goes how it's going to stand up and look. But I love how that turned out. I thought the sentiment was perfect and so super cute. And then here goes this card I made. It's an A2 size card, and I did use that fancy fold layering piece that came out of that card base die, and I thought that was just perfect to pop that little card on top of there. The sentiment came from that last month's Christmas pack, the sentiments. But love how that turned out. So super cute. There goes the hopefully you can see all that sparkle on there that I added, and I love how that looks. I love the paper in the background too. The inside is finished as well, but love how that looks. Look at that little card, just the cutest. And it says Ginger Fam, California Ginger Fam is actually what it says. Just too cute. And here's how that fancy fold card is intended to look, but you can use it any kind of way you want. Like you did see, I used the inside layers for just an A2 size card, but this is how it is presented to look, and you can use the belly band with it, or you don't have to. This belly band, I'm using the eyelet belly band, and then as you can tell, I popped that little card on top of one of the doily dies, but I only used that back part. And I did add the sparkle on that. This is that other holly leaf that I was telling you about that I used all of them. But those are really pretty, and I like how that looks. And look at the layering piece on there. I love it. And then you just pull that right off there. And there goes the inside. And so I used that ephemera that came out of that, the ephemera 1, the first pack. Love how that turned out. So pretty. And there goes the back side of that. So when you put this back on here, it all looks finished. There we go. And it looks good on the back side as well. So super cute. Just remembered, I forgot to share one last die set that I used, which was the peppermint candy die. And I'm using this little small peppermint right there. Here goes my last and final item that I created for you today. Make sure you come back tomorrow because I have a couple more to share. But anyways, here it goes. I use that fancy fold card base to turn into a topper. Love how that looks, how it turned out. This is the medium scallop bow die that I used here. And then I also used the medium ginger bow die to add the layering piece on there. There goes my little peppermint that I added in the center. Love the little 25 tags. Those are just so adorable. These tags were so simple to put together, And then there goes my sentiments from that sentiment that was released last month. Love it. I did do this with magnets. Love how that looks. And then whoever the recipient is able to just take that up, open it up, because this is on here with, I have removable dots on there, and it's on an acetate piece in the inside. But I love how that looks there. Closes right up. Just so super cute. There goes the back side. I didn't do anything with it, but still love how it looks. Just so pretty. Okay, and that's everything that I created for you today. Make sure you use one of the designer's codes, or you may use my code, which is MOE, for 10% off your total purchase on any day. But if you wait till release weekends, it will be 15% off your total purchase. And my code is MOE. And I think that's about it. Other than, make sure you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is release day and hop, along with the sale. So you'll be able to purchase everything that we have been showcasing. So that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.